And hope you are fine and doing well. Today I am here with another new video in which I will explain you about the headphone jack problem in your device Vivo T1 5G. But firstly, if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Now let's move towards our today's video. So if you are having any issue regarding your headphone jack, or you can say your earphone jack in your device Vivo T1 5G, you can solve this by the method as I am showing in this video. So follow the steps and watch complete video and learn how you can solve the headphone jack problem in your device. Let's watch the video.